were not calculated. They were films that believed in themselves. They were not made out of calculations. That's why I'm saying I'm not good at calculations. I can only make the film I believe in, and after that, it's really up to the audience.
The third film is Ranveer and Vinay. What else is coming? I mean, this is a big team which is coming up. We're all expecting more out of you guys every time you come.
There are a lot more films coming. There is a film that Saurabh Shukla has directed with Ranveer and me and Neha. It's called I'm 24. There is another film that we have done together.
How did you manage that?
I don't know. I don't think it's about the story so much. It's about your sensibility. It's about creating the moments. It's about how the script unfolds. I think the magic, if there is magic.
मिथ्या ने मुझे चूज़ किया अलबत्ता आप मानिए कि मिथ्या जो रोल है तो इट्स द काइंड ऑफ रोल एनी एक्टर वुड गिव देयर लेफ्ट आर्म फॉर इतना बढ़िया रोल है तो आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू रजत कपूर कि उन्होंने मुझे ट्रस्ट किया इस रोल के साथ.
I think it's a crazy caper, and I think as I said, I think it's tongue in cheek, and it has some. I think it's taken some cliched situations in movies and is looking at it from a lighter side.
भाई परफॉर्मेंस से डायरेक्टर सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए. एज एक्टर मैं तो कभी किसी परफॉर्मेंस से नहीं होता हूँ 100% सेटिस्फाइड. हमेशा लगता है बार बार देख के नहीं यहाँ पर. बट इमीडिएट थिंग इज डायरेक्टर शुड बी सेटिस्फाइड. एंड अगर रजत मुझे अगली पिक्चर में भी लेने की बात कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक समझता हूँ सेटिस्फाइड होंगे.
आई थिंक जब आप कुछ अलग करते हैं तो आप हर पार्ट में अच्छे लगते हैं. ही इज़ ब्रॉट इन अ न्यू वेव ऑफ सिनेमा विच इज़ द मल्टीप्लेक्स सिनेमा. ही इज़ बीन एन इंटेग्रल पार्ट ऑफ इट और लोग वैसी फिल्में एंजॉय करते हैं. तो वो चाहे एक्टर के तौर पर हो या डायरेक्टर के तौर पर हो, ही इज़ प्रेजेंटिंग अ डिफरेंट स्टाफ. सो आई एम क्वाइट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
Rajat is a very close friend. I have worked in his movie Raghu Romeo earlier, so I have heard the idea of Mithya at that time, and I'm very happy to see it now releasing, and I'm waiting to see it.
No, the thing is, some of the cast and crew have not got passes because there were so many invitees. So people who've seen the film are waiting outside. Nothing, don't read too much into it. It's just some confusion with passes.
Mithya, I'm sure it's a good film, and it's because जो भी मैंने सुना है इस फिल्म के बारे में, it's a good film, and Planman are working very much harder on script and good music.
That I can't say. I haven't seen it, but I'm sure they're all going to be very good because they're all fine actors, and I'm sure that with an ensemble cast, as you've just mentioned, I'm sure it'll be very interesting to see the film.
I think it'll be a dark comedy, but that's my call. I think वो एक genre है जो बहुत जल्दी हमारे देश में आने वाला है, which कि कॉमेडी के मीडियम को यूज़ किया जाएगा सच्चाई बोलने के लिए, क्योंकि फिर वो तो आई थिंक एक डार्क कॉमेडी होगी, पर आई एम नॉट श्योर. मैं सब कुछ बिना जाने जा रहा हूँ.
I think both. I think he has the capability and the ability to wear two hats. I worked with him in a film where he's the producer, and he's acting in it, and Saurabh Shukla has directed it. And in this film, I think he's the director. He is the director of this film. So he's multi-talented, and he can multitask, and I'm really in awe of him. I mean, I really admire him for that.
I think he plays both roles equally well. I think he's a very entertaining actor. He's a very entertaining director. He's a very discerning director actually, and I've liked all his films. And I've worked with him in the past as an actor. He's very chilled out, very great to work with, and I'm sure that the film will echo his sentiment.
It's wonderful. आज देखिए भेजा फ्राई जैसी फिल्म हिट हुई है. ये ऐसी फिल्में जो स्टार्स से ज़्यादा कंटेंट पे डिपेंड होती हैं, उसमें डायरेक्टर को मैं फुल मार्क्स देता हूँ कि इतनी सोच समझ कर पिक्चर बनाना. उसको इट्स लाइक क्रिएटिंग अ केमिस्ट्री विच कैन क्रिएट्स कॉमर्स. It's very good.
There are a lot more films coming. There is a film that Saurabh Shukla has directed with Ranveer and me and Neha. It's called I'm 24. There is another film that we have done together with Vinay and me, and Saurabh directed again. It's called Raat Gayi Baat Gayi. So I think we'll keep working together because we enjoy working with each other.
No, I think it's very bold. Yeah, I'm still taking risks. I'm still doing different things, and I think boldness does not lie in just wearing a two-piece swimsuit. Boldness lies in doing experimental stuff, in trying out new sort of characters and roles in different kind of films, working with different directors, and I think I'm being very bold even now.
I play a struggling actor, जो छोटे शहर से बम्बई आते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में उनका ज़्यादा कुछ हो नहीं रहा. व्हेन सडनली ही स्वेप्ट अवे बाय सर्कमस्टांसेस इनटू समथिंग एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी, और किस तरह उनकी लाइफ उनके कंट्रोल के कम्प्लीटली बाहर हो जाती है आस्ते आस्ते. ये कहानी है.